皆さん、こんにちは。シンプソンです。
皆さん、こんにちは。コウスケです。
We're going to look at two ways to say about. In Alex's letter, he said, 私のことを少し書きます. This means I'll write a little bit about myself. Koto means literally things. So 私のこと is things of myself, or more naturally, about myself. If you want to say about, you simply have to have noun followed by no koto, and that means about whatever that noun is. For example, I read about Japanese history.
日本の歴史のことを読みました。
So in this first reibun example sentence, the noun is Nihon no rekishi, Japanese history. So Nihon no rekishi no koto, about Japanese history. Osamu is always talking about baseball.
おさむくんはいつも野球のことを話しています。
So again, the noun here is baseball, yakyu. So yakyu no koto. And lastly, do you remember me or do you remember about me?
私のことを覚えていますか？
So this is the way you express do you remember someone or something. It's actually do you remember about them or about it. There is another way of saying about. It's nitsuite. And this is a slightly more formal way of saying about. However, they both mean effectively the same thing. Let's have a look at some example sentences and see how it presents itself. So for example, please teach me about Japan.
日本について教えてください。
So what you have here is again noun followed by nitsuite. So nihon nitsuite, about Japan. And you're free to use anything after that really. So please teach me about. 教えてください. This next example. This video is about Japanese school.
このビデオは日本の学校についてです。
So this is a way of actually being able to finish the sentence with nitsuite. Again, the noun is about Japanese, is Japanese school. So Nihon no gakko, Nihon no gakko nitsuite, about Japanese school. And lastly, that is a book about Japanese history.
それは日本の歴史についての本です。
So these are three different ways you can use nitsuite. The first one is if it's followed by a verb. The second one is if it's ending the sentence. And the third one is if it's kind of being used as a description. All right. So no koto, no koto
の
and
こと。
nitsuite are two ways you can say about.